Start recording. Okay. Hello and welcome to Fun with LLVM. Today I am going to work again on my CTFE evaluator, and my CTFE evaluator now gets a more complete LVM backend. And what I'm going to do right now is to implement a way to access the heap. And with that, let's start. So the heap is basically an array of storage. At the moment, it's 2 megabyte in size, and when we first fire up our evaluator, we will allocate that storage, and that storage will be available for the duration of the CTFE invocation, and it will be it has to exist a little bit longer for DMD to copy stuff out of it, for example strings or something that we wanted to return, and that is what we need it for. So this heap will be always available, right? And let's now get started. So in LLVM we can allocate so-called external globals, and this is memory which is available while the module is there and while the execution engine is running, and it's guaranteed not to be sucked away out from under you, which is important when we do code generation. We don't want to dereference stuff that isn't there anymore. So now we first have to get a way to allocate something. So we have another global that is accessible, that is the heap top, and it says where our pointer into that block of memory currently is, and we need to load that. And so we do that, load heap top, and I think that's it. And that load does not need a name, and it does not deserve a name. Alright, the new top is now the h top, which we just loaded, plus the size. We build the add here, and we store it into the new top. We store the new top, right? Okay, after that comes the putter, and the putter is of course heap top. If that runs correctly, we first need to compile and then run it. Program used external function heap top, which could not be reserved. Okay. That is bad. Do I have to add a global mapping directly after I did this? Yeah, I think I have to do so. This is a pain. Yeah, let's go to the interpretation function, which is where we create the engine. And when we have the engine, we can create a global message. No, we want a global mapping. Global LLVM add global mapping. We take the engine we have. We take the heap top. And we map it to the address of heap top. This should make sure that we have an external here we can use. Yes, it does. Great. Alright. This means after the execution of this program, the integer called underscore heap top should be 24. So after that I can run the assertion . 24. And this assertion should not fail. And the assertion did not fail. Great. Now if I change the value that I allocate in the alloc call from 24 to something else like 21, alright, then the assertion will suddenly fail because we didn't change the value to 24 but to 21 instead. And you will see that it says here indeed assertion has failed. So this is how you connect your JIT to data from the outside world, and this is what we will continue to do. And I think I will now stop this video and upload it because I like to keep it short.